friend, welcome to mechanics tutorial. Today we are going to solve another numerical on beam. Okay, ये भी मार्च 2020 में पूछा गया है. Similar way we are going to solve. Sorry. Okay. So first step is draw free body diagram. Okay. Step one is draw free body diagram. Okay. Again at point D is hinge support and at point B is roller support. That means D के ऊपर आपको दो रिएक्शंस आने वाले हैं एंड B के ऊपर आपकी एक रिएक्शन आएगी. ओके, सो ये एट पॉइंट A दिस इज 20 न्यूटन किलो न्यूटन फोर्स एज इट इज. ओके, एंड एट C दिस इज 40 किलो न्यूटन लोड एज इट इज. At point B this will be what? Roller support. Okay, and at point D, so this is your what? dx and this is your what? dy. Okay, ये जो भी distances है remaining will be what? As it is 2.5 meter या से ये 3 meter and this distance is 2 meter. Okay, so changes only we are replacing the supports by reactions, right? So we have to find out dx, dy and rb. So step number 2 is reaction calculation. Step number 2 is reaction calculation. Okay, so again the beam is in equilibrium, so it satisfies the equilibrium condition. So first step is summation of horizontal forces equal to 0. तो कितने horizontal forces है इस फिगर में? dx होंगी. Okay, again dx is moving right side, so positive, no other horizontal force, so dx is equal to 0. This is first one. Second is summation of vertical forces is equal to 0. We know that all upward forces positive, all downward forces are negative. This 20 is moving downward, so minus 20. dy is moving upward, so plus dy. 40 moving downward, so minus 40. And rb moving upward, so plus rb equal to 0. Okay, so from here you will get dy plus rb equal to minus 20 minus 40, that is 60. Right side becomes plus. Okay, now the third condition is you have to take moment. If I am taking moment at point D, तो ये दोनों भी reactions cut out हो गए, मुझे RB की value straight forward मिलेगी. So I will take moment at point D equal to 0. Okay, अब ये 20 है, D के लिए let's say this moment center ये 20 इस तरह से मूव हो रहा है, मतलब it is rotating in anti-clockwise. So minus 20 into distance is 2.5. okay, dx dy हम जीरो मोमेंट क्रिएट करेंगे, मोमेंट सेंटर से पास हो रहे हैं. 40 is moving clockwise, so plus 40 into distance is 3. Force to moment center, force to moment center. Then rb is moving anti-clockwise. If you say it properly, rb is moving anti-clockwise, so minus rb into the perpendicular distance is 3 plus 2 plus 2.3 plus 2, that is 5 equal to 0. Okay, so this will be what? Minus 50. Okay, plus 120 minus 5 rb equal to 0. Okay, तो ये आएगा आपका 120 minus 50, that is 70. rb that side becomes plus, so we can directly write it as rb equal to 70 divided by 5. Okay, so this is what? 14 kilonewton. Value of rb is 14 kilonewton. Okay, now put the value of rb in equation 1. Value of rb in equation 1, or from equation 1, okay, you will get dy is equal to 60 minus rb. dy equal to 60 minus rb, and that is nothing but what? 46 kilonewton. कितनी आ रही है आपकी? 46 kilonewton. Okay, So in this way you can find out the reactions. Okay, hope you understood the numerical easy. Okay, thank you.